Looking at rotary hammer drills and hammer drills, I first got a Panasonic 24 volt rotary drill. Okay, we have the 20 volt quite large battery there at the bottom of the drill. We have a depth gauge on the side here and a hand grip because of the torque of the battery drill. Quite a lot of torque now we can get from a standard battery drill. So we have hand grips, we have the trigger and there, and we can lock that trigger and change direction of the drill placed into the rotary hammer drill. Here we have we can switch it from ordinary drill to hammer when using into masonry, and we have a high and slow speed depending on the size of the drill and the material we're drilling into. This is a chuckless drill in that rather than the standard chuck with a key, all we have to do with this particular drill is push in and turn to locate the drill piece. This particular drill is a masonry bit and we've now secured it into the drill. Okay. Often, because they're called SDS drills, they are known as secured drill system. This system here is called, or can be called, depending on the make, secured drill system. Some other makers refer to the SDS as something else, but I've always known it as secured drill system. Okay, turn, push in, and that is now locked in. Big advantage. It has the advantage of locking in rather than the chuck type drill, in which depending on how tight the chuck is tightened up onto the drill, depends on how much it will hold. In other words, explain better. A standard hammer drill with a chuck and chuck key, with a standard masonry bit, okay, placed in and then the chuck tightened on. There are occasions when these can slip, okay, depending on the size of the drill, how hard and how dense the material is you are drilling into. But here we have a standard 110 volt hammer drill. Quite straightforward. We still have the forward and reverse switch here. Okay, standard trigger, and on top of this particular drill we have hammer or ordinary drill, so that we can take it off, use it as a standard drill, or switch it over there and use it as a hammer drill to assist us in drilling hard masonry such as concrete. Makes it a lot easier with a hammer action in the drill. This particular model, the Panasonic rotary hammer drill, we can only use a masonry bit and drill holes into masonry. There are drills out there, okay, from this size upwards, that not only can we drill with them, drill a hole for masonry blocks or whatever we're trying to do, we can chisel and put chisels in them. And just to demonstrate that from a very larger model, I have a bit, and as you can see it's fluted at this end to secure it into the drill. Agreed, it's a lot bigger drill, but we have a masonry bit there, and alongside that we can put in a chisel. Okay, we can switch it over, we can stop it rotating so this chisel does not rotate. All it does is vibrate and break. They're known sometimes as breakers, okay, and we can break up concrete, such like materials such as concrete. Okay. Obviously, the PPE, as with all pullable power tools, okay, where if you're chipping, breaking, involve dust, you will wear the appropriate PPE. Again, there'll be a lot of noise, so not forgetting the earmuffs, masks and goggles when using this equipment.